Okay, my peeps, let's make a cute beehive with Dollar Tree supplies. You're gonna need one of those Easter eggs, so don't put your Easter eggs away just yet. You're gonna cut off a small piece of the bottom, and then you're gonna wrap it in twine. Okay, now this is a little tedious and it takes some time, but the end result is really cute. So you're just gonna go around and round and wind the twine around until you basically cover the whole egg. Now you could use a plastic egg as well if you don't have a foam egg. And you can make this any size you want, bigger, smaller. And you could also get thicker twine. This twine from Dollar Tree is very thin. So it took me a while to do it because of the fact that it was so thin. But I mean, if you want to keep the cost down, then Dollar Tree is the way to go. But Walmart has a little bit thicker twine that I would probably use next time. I've made these several times before, but I used a smaller egg, so it was kind of a bit quicker. But so when you get to the top, you could wrap that twine all the way up to the top. You don't have to put that little loop. I usually never put a loop. I just wrap the twine all the way up to the top. But I just wanted to add that little extra loop to the top so it could look like it's hanging, or it's going to be hanging from a tree or whatever. So now I got a piece of felt and I cut it into a circle, but then I ended up cutting a piece of the circle off, so it was kind of like that's gonna be the opening to the beehive. And you can make the hole smaller or bigger or however you want it to be. So then I took some more twine and then I just went around the border of the opening a couple of times. I did it actually around 3 times, which was twice like flat, and then on the third go around I actually went on top of the 2 layers so that the piece of foam wouldn't look like it's just sticking out. So I just went right on top, like right here I went on top so it could look more like an opening. Okay, now you don't have to do it that if you don't want to. So then I went and got me a flower and I glued it on there. And then this is the honey glue. I'm just putting a couple of drips of honey and I stuck a bee on there, and then I'm putting a little bit more drips on the side, and I'm going to add one more bee, and basically that is it. That's our cute little beehive. I hope you like it, and I hope you make some. Like I said, you can make them in any size. Alright guys, talk to you later. Bye.